hi Nancy, heartiest congratulations. Super
Thank you.
amazing. In just 1 month, you have really created a magic. So I want you to know three things from you. First is how do you feel to be part of this community, right? What kind of improvement you have seen in your bakes, in your decorations, and how do you feel after getting orders for your bakery? Because I have really seen your work and the improvement that you have shown, right? My team was like, ma'am, this time let us spotlight her. So they were very eager to spotlight you, so you can talk about that as well. And the third thing is, what is that one thing that you want to tell to our new members who have just joined? What should they look up to?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm really so overwhelmed. I'm actually a lawyer by profession 8 years ago. After kids, I had to quit my job. Slowly, I started to see my bank balance is getting to negative, and I don't have anything. I was really so stressed after two babies. I couldn't do anything, and my in-laws and parents are also not with me. I was really stressed. One day I saw your ad on Facebook. That's when I just joined. Okay, whether we are doing business or not, let's just go in, and at least we can bake some delicious cakes for my son. My son is a cake lover, so I just wanted to do that. But you are really very uh, what to say. You are my role model right now. And I have also commented in my in our Facebook group that you are a farishta. You are really a farishta for me. Now I'm really happy to see the amount coming in my account again when I
Wow.
take those orders. It's like I'm doing something for myself. Like I can buy my own dress now. So that's a very big happiness for me right now. This Super Baker program is like a magic. I didn't do any magic. You are the magician who did the magic in my life. I supposed to say this to my co-bakers. I just want to say one slogan which you always say: keep your tools right and measurements correct. That's the only thing I did. Your recipe worked like a magic. I have never failed in even one recipe. One recipe I've never failed. I've just followed used the right tools which you used. Even the whipping cream, I have never gone for any other whipping cream. I asked my husband, I just want only Tropolite. I don't want anything else. He was searching overnight. He was searching, and finally he got me the Tropolite. Then only I started making the cakes. I just wanted to copy you. Just copy you. Whatever you're doing, I wanted to copy you. I just did the same thing and the same tools you said, and the same measurement, not even a gram more, a gram less. And I got the magic worked, and I just love you for that, ma'am. I love you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So,
And one more thing, ma'am.
yeah.
Another aim for posting so much cake was just to talk to you in person. I just wanted to talk to you in person. That's the only thing.
So,
Whenever I ask some questions, you used to answer me. It will be like a big thing for me. Like again, I'm in my school, and my teacher is appreciating me for something. So
wow.
that's really very thing to be. This is very big thing for me. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Super
I'm so
amazing.
overwhelmed.
Super amazing. So, you deserve it because you have put your heart and soul in making that cake. Every single post that you have made, it shows so much dedication towards your craft. So it was mind blowing, super amazing. Your journey, the success story is like super amazing, right? So you are talking so many things about me as such, but I really want to say that because you took action, because you put your heart and soul in making those cakes for your loved ones and for making your customers happy, right? You have reached that particular stage, and I'm super proud of you. I'm super happy the kind of success that you have got in just last few days. Thank you so much, and thanks to your husband as well. Okay.
I have pestered him a lot. I have pestered him a lot in getting my tools ready.
Lovely, super amazing. So, wish you all the best,
Thank you
Nancy.
so much.
But apart from that, do you have any query that you want to ask me? Because, you are here that you want to ask me anything.
No, I just want to talk to you, ma'am, and I say I love you so much.
Thank you so much. Love you too, Nancy. Keep growing. And I wish you from the bottom of my heart that you keep getting more and more orders, and hope to see your cafe or your bakery shop very, very soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and happy Teachers Day. I wanted to tell you in person.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.